Good morning, everybody. Yes. Sunday. Sunday. Hope you all remembered daylight savings time. Because last night I kind of spaced. So, right now we're heading off to Sammy's for a little bit. Do I get food here or food there?
Doesn't matter. Do you want food here?
I don't know what they got here. They probably have the same things you guys do. Look at her drink. Yeah.
You guys have better food than I do.
Okay, well. I'm going back tonight, after dinner. Sound like fun? No, because that means she doesn't get to be with me. I'll be back tomorrow night. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
These are not the droids you're looking for. Ooh, doggy! We got one hell of a storm coming our way. About Vacaville, it picked up real hard, and then Dixon, it traveled all the way through Dixon. It was like a half hour of hell. Except if hell was a rain shower. And walking back from the car, just starting to feel it. Starting to roll in. I just hope it's not like that when I'm driving back tomorrow. Yes, I know I'm stupid and silly and... School ruined my plans. Anyways, accomplished some things today. I beat Force Unleashed 2 and Assassin's Creed 2. Well, that was last night, but actually it was this morning. So yeah, I shall see you guys in the morning. I'm actually going to unload all the videos off. I've got the entire weekend on here. So, good night, peoples.